Welcome to Comfort Learn YouTube channel. So in last class we saw how to solve a given quadratic equation by factorization method, right? So in this video we'll see how to solve the same given quadratic equation by the other method, that is completing the square method. Completing square method, right? So how to solve a given quadratic equation by completing the square method. First we'll see what exactly is the completing square method, right? We'll understand what is the meaning of this completing square method, and then we'll solve a problem with the same method. So for example, let's take a equation x square plus 4x minus 5. Okay, so this is a quadratic equation. We'll see how to solve this equation by completing the square method, right? So let's represent given data in terms of diagrams. So I will just pick this one, that is x square plus 4x, right? Take just x square plus 4x. Okay, so I will represent this x square as a square box, right? The dimension of the square is x and x, and then 4x, this will be x, right? And then this is 4 units. This is 4 units and this one is x. So x square plus 4 into x, 4x. The area of this figure is x square and then area of this figure is 4x. So I got 4x square plus 4x square, 4x in terms of a diagram. Now, so just follow the steps. Keep this as it is x square, that is x into x, right? So now divide this into two figures. This will remain same x, and then divide this into two figures, that is 2 and 2, right? So the length of this part is 2 and then the length of this part is 2. So here this x square plus 2x, this part plus 2x, right? X square plus 2x plus 2x. This will give again the same x square plus 4x. Okay, what is the next step here? So I can write this one as x square as it is, and then take this here, and then these two parts, take one on this side, one on this side, right? So this is 2 units and then x, this is the 2 units and then x, right? So if I add this, what I will get? X square plus 4x. So what I am doing here, so first step is just split it into two parts. Second, take these two parts, place one on this side and then this side, right? So now we need to complete this square, right? That is the matter, completing the square. So to complete this square, we need to fill this part. To complete this square, we need to fill this part. So we'll see what is the dimension. See, if it is 2, this is also 2. If this one is 2, this is also 2, right? So to complete this square, I need to add this part, right? So what will be the next equation? So after this, x square plus 4x. So to complete the square, I need to add 2 into 2. So if I add 2 into 2, then this will fill the square. So to balance the equation, I need to subtract same 2 into 2. Okay? So add and then subtract, which will balance the initial equation. Now, what is the next step? X square plus 4x plus 4 minus 4. X square plus 4x minus 4, right? Just concentrate on this one, this part. X square 4x plus 4. Okay, I will write it here. So see here. So this is a u square. So what is the dimension of the u square here? X plus 2 right? X plus 2 into x plus 2, right? X plus 2 into x plus 2, this will give x plus 2 whole square. Okay? So, see, if I expand this one, you know a plus b whole square, x plus 2 whole square is a square plus b square, that is 4, and then 2ab, right? So from this I got this one. So this is what the completing square method is. So how to solve this equation by this? See, same equation, right? So what I got from this, with the help of these diagrams, I got x square plus 4x is x plus 2 whole square, right? What is x square plus 4? With these diagrams, I got x square plus 4 as x plus 2 whole square. Now keep minus 5 as it is, right? And then we have one more minus 4 here. Take that also. Now keep that minus 4. So this will give x square plus 4x. Now take minus 5. Right? So what is the next step here? X plus 2 whole square, minus 4 and minus 5 is minus 9. Right? So to solve this equation, I need to equate it to 0. If I equate this to 0, I will get x plus 2 is equal to root 9 plus or minus. Right? So what is x? X is equal to plus or minus 9 minus 2. So this is how we solve a given quadratic equation by completing the square method. Right? I hope you guys understood the whole steps here. Okay, I know like most of the students will be confused with the method, right? Completing the square method. They will skip this method, but in exam they may specify method. Okay, they will give an equation, and if they specify like to solve the given equation by completing the square method, you need to follow these steps, right? You can't solve the given equation by either splitting a method term or using a quadratic formula. So see, one more thing is like we are not supposed to solve all the problems with these diagrams, right? So how to avoid these diagrams and solve the given problems without using the diagrams? We'll see one more example and try to solve that equation without using these diagrams. Okay, let's see how to solve the given quadratic equation by completing the square method without using the earlier diagrams. Okay, so first thing is, what is the first term here? 25x square. So, and then second term, third term. So generally to solve these quadratic equation by this completing the square method, we need to have a perfect square here, right? So I can write this 25x square as 5x whole square. 5 square is 25 minus 30x as it is minus 10 as it is equal to 0, right? And one more thing, for this we need to remember this identity, that is a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So the thing is, I need to express this in terms of this, right? I need to express this in the form of this. So 5x, I will take it as a, and then minus 2ab and then b square, right? So keep 5x as it is, that is a. So now I need to split this term, right? I need to split this term in this form. So by default we need to keep this one as it is, that is minus 2. Minus 2 will remain as it is, and then a, right? So what is a here? 5x. Keep 5x into c. This term is important. So by placing which term or which number, I get this 30x here. 5 2s are 10, 10x. So if I multiply 3 with 10x, if I multiply 3 with 10x, I will get 30x, right? If you are still confused, just divide this term by this, right? 30x divided by 2 into 5x. Just divide this by this term, then you will get this one. 5 ones are 5, 3s are. So you will get 3 here, right? So Next is I got this 2ab and then I need to get this b square. So what is b here? This will be our b, right? The new term what we get here, that will be our b. Now b square, that is 3 square. Okay. Next one, see. This is the extra term here. I am adding this extra term, so I need to subtract this. Then only we get a balanced equation, right? Again, keep minus 10 as it is equal to 0, right? So actually, this step is important in this method. How to express this equation in this form, that is a minus b whole square form. So I got a square 2 minus 2a and then b, right? A square minus 2ab and then b square. So what is a square minus 2ab plus b square? A minus b whole square. What is a here? 5x. A minus b minus what is b here? Whole square. So this whole thing will cancel out and we get this term, that is 5x minus 3 whole square is equal to 5x square 2 5x into 3 plus 3 square. Okay, now keep the remaining terms as it is. So what is minus 3 square? That is minus 9 minus 10 is equal to 0, right? So 5x minus 3 whole square minus 19 is equal to 0. 5x minus 3 whole square is equal to 90, right? So 5x minus 3 is equal to plus or minus root 90. So why we take this plus or minus? It was 19 here, right? Taking the square this side, we get a root. But most in all the cases we take this plus or minus, because here to get this 19 I can multiply plus root 19 into plus root 19, still I get 19. If I multiply minus root 19 into root 9 minus root 19, I will get 19, right? So both the cases are possible. That's why we use plus root 19 or minus root 19, right? So 5x is equal to plus or minus root 19 plus 3x is equal to plus or minus root 19 plus 3 divided by 5. That is x is equal to plus root 19 plus 3 divided by 5 or x is equal to minus root 19 plus 3 divided by 5. So these are the two solutions of the given quadratic equation, right? Because we know, like in last week video I explained you, if it is a quadratic equation, the solutions will be 2, right? So these are the two possible solutions of the given quadratic equation, right? So again, this step is important. Just concentrate on this step. Okay. After this, just a simple calculation, right? So I hope you guys understood what is the completing square method and how to solve a given problem with this completing the square method without using the diagrams, right? So we'll see why we need to use this completing the square method, because we have other methods, right? We have this splitting a middle term. Again, why we need to use this method? We'll see this in the next video, right? So if you feel the video is helpful, please share it with your friends and help us to grow the channel.